And now what do you say? So what do you say about opening up the fridge? Do it again. Let's try it again. I'm going to close it first. And then you're supposed to... Hold on. Get back. Okay, now... Can you open the fridge? Yeah. And then what do you want to say after you open the fridge? You're pretty strong. What do you want to say? What do you usually say after you open the fridge? You're so strong.
Yeah.
What do you say?
Thank you.
No. Say, you're the strongest boy, I thought you said.
I'm the strongest boy.
Yeah.
I'm the strongest boy.
You are. You're like a monkey climbing up a refrigerator.
I can't open it.
Try it. You can do it. Keep doing it. You did it before.
Yeah?
That's okay. You don't have to do it anymore. Can you do it? No, but it's stuck. That's okay.